All right, welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I'm your host and resident day trader of the channel and your brother in the struggle. The name is Hassan and we are live. The market looks good this morning. SPY is trending up. Got everything on my watch list looking pretty decent. TSM kind of been consolidating all morning. But it had a really good day yesterday and it has gapped up over yesterday's high. So I'm a little excited about that. Google looks really good. Google looks like it's primed to make some good moves. I believe it's over all-time highs. Everything looks good. I'm excited, but per usual, we're just gonna be patient and wait for my setup. That's it. We're just gonna wait for my setup and sit on hands until we see it. Game plan is 2R minimum. Now, sometimes the 2R, I don't know. This is I struggle with 2R because sometimes my 2R target is so close to my entry that it just doesn't make sense to get out that soon. So I'm going to say 2R minimum, but I'm definitely going to look to capture a little more if I can. I think the best way to try to get more than 2R is to find a place to add more shares. You know, rather than trying to reach a really extended target, but try to add more shares and then still hit that same 2R target with more shares. So, yeah, I mean these stocks I'm trading, most of them have $3 ranges, if not more. So it's hard to just say I'm gonna take $1 and then run, but I'm really about getting my win rate up and my consistency up. And the lower your target, the higher your win rate is typically. So 2R is what I'm gonna say is what I'm focused on. But I will be trying to squeeze a little more out where I see the opportunity. No stop. Okay, so I want to enter where I can place my stop loss below VWAP. No entries below VWAP. No entries below yesterday's close or the opening range. And as far as my entry pattern, no tweezers, no inside hammer bars. I want to see clean pullbacks away from the previous candle, right, in the previous range. Hey, what's up? Good morning, Ben. And just clean dips to VWAP, and I want to see another level of support with VWAP also. I want it to line up with either a previous high or my HVS line. Previous day close, I don't know. I like it to be a little further away than previous day close, but I guess it just really depends on the price action. But I really want to be picky. I want to let things go if it's not giving me a clean entry. Definitely focused on the higher high, higher lows. It's like sometimes you can fudge one of those. Like if you have a lower high, but you also have a higher low. But really, it's better to stay picky. So I'm gonna try to stay picky. And you know, if there's a reason to second guess the trade or not take the trade, then we're just not gonna take it. That's the plan. So let's see how we do today. That is the true measurement of success, is the ability to trade the plan. What's up, Ben? Man, how you doing? What you looking at this morning? Get my timer out. Now I set some new audios today, so I'm hoping that they work. We'll see how it goes. It did not work yesterday. Okay, strong runner in pre-market for sure. Wow, gapped up over a lot of. Okay, got this previous resistance there.
Hot damn ho, here we go again.
Ah, it worked. That's pretty aggressive. Alright, cool. So I got my sound effects working with my platform. Might change that for tomorrow. That's pretty aggressive. ACRV. Okay, that's kind of hitting this level here. It's like gapped up into a lot of resistance. NYMD. Wow, that thing's on a super strong downtrend. Alright, let's go over here. Oh man, lost my mouse. I gotta figure out what's up with this mouse, man. Sometimes it just goes out. Okay. Okay. Google looking strong. TSM looking strong. RVSN looking strong. Man, gold looks spectacular. Maybe not. Just be patient for the timer. We will see what's left. Man, I want to take that. SPY is downtrending, and that's probably why gold is looking so good. Let's see what's going on with some of these other ones. Not much. Yeah, that was kind of clear. Gold was kind of clear. Gold felt like that would have been a good exception to make. Man, look at that range too, man. That's 100 shares. We've been at 2R already. Maybe. A couple cents shy of 2R. That's a pretty heavy knockdown right there. Yeah, gold almost moves like counter to the market. Like when the market's going down, gold is going up. I don't know. It's interesting. Hey, what's up, Ken? Short Nvidia again. Wow. She is dumping. Huge red volume bars, man. That's wild. Sounds like you in the right spot, Ken. Straight dumping. I think I might have to take gold right here. See if that thing closes over VWAP, which is 210. 30 cent. 80 shares. Yep. Timer's done. First order is in. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. 2 days in a row. Like Amazon did the same thing. Alright, TSM cracked another low. Might have to wait on that one. Yeah, I probably could have taken that over there. Took a swing on TSM here. Probably a little heavy considering where my stop is, but just gonna try to snatch a quick 2R out of there. Think we'll be safe when we get over this high, which we are. Now, what's TSM's range? That's the question. Not that great. I'm gonna just take that 2R and run. Let's go. We almost there on TSM. Quick 2R. Come on, baby. I wish Google would come back just a little bit more. Dang, man, it came within 1 penny of my take profit. That's wild. That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeesh. 1 penny. TSM looks really strong up here, though. That's gold. Pre-market highs right here. Oh no, don't tell me that. Oh wow. Wow. 1 cent from my target. And it's really my fault because I got in higher than I should have. I should have got in at 147.01, which would have put my take profit at 148.01. Wow. All right. Show goes on. I am liking Google right here. Dang, TSM played me. Guess I played myself on that one. Can't blame nobody but myself. Alright, what we got here? Man, the SPY is dumping right now, though. I have to be real careful. 2. Yeah, SPY is dropping very aggressively. Another low there. Tesla sure is rolling. Alright, in Google. Yeah, that lower high looking kind of nasty right now. I guess gold is not moving counter to the SPY because it is definitely falling with the SPY right now. Google is looking really good over all-time highs. Blue sky setup. gold look like a wrap. Might do something on this bounce though. Alright, that was a good ad, I'd say. And here we go. We got Google. New high of day. Testing 158. Red 9 cent for the day. Hey, that's very manageable because yesterday you killed the game yesterday. What'd you end up yesterday, Ben? A few dollars green, wasn't it? Come on, Google, break on through there. There you go. $6, man. Yeah, bro, you killed the game yesterday. A little 9 cent. How many trades? Come on, Google, what we doing? $53? How you doing that? I didn't know you had it like that. I didn't know I still had this order in on MSFT over here. Huh. Nah, canceling that one. Okay. Okay. I got you. All right. So TSM was a total disappointment. Just I kind of sketched into there a little too late, and yeah, 1 penny shy of my take profit order. So just kind of be like that sometimes. Google though, come on, man, we take 158. Think it's gonna be a pretty nice trade. Pretty nice trade. Okay, we got 158. Can we hold it though? We got some sellers up there. There we go. There we go. Come on, Google. Next checkpoint is 158.47. $0.62. All right, we passing a quarter. I don't like that. All right, bang on, bang on Google. I went ahead and took the 2R out, and I'm gonna just leave the rest. That way the bag is secured. And we can just see what happens. Because I think Google could run for a while. All right, gold is trending back up. I almost wanted to add right there. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this risk down. What's high a day? 218.47. I think we want a little more than that. Pre-market high was 219. Google's still rolling. Still rolling. Let's see. Absolute home run on 30 shares. Let's see. Be another $1.60. $1.66. Be 158.92. $158.92. Wow, sure did. Sure did. All right, gold. Making some moves here. Previous high was 41, which we just passed there. High of day is 55. And pre-market high is 19. There is, I don't know if there's any. This is just like a total blue sky setup on gold. There is no trading action above. But it's been going up for quite some time, so I don't know how much more to really expect out of this thing. Yeah, I think I should just probably take my 2R on this bad boy. 66 cents. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about gold. What was the range for yesterday? $2. Okay, 217 for 218. Okay, so 219 is not absurd. We'll do that and see how that goes. Might have to raise my stop. You still in NVIDIA from this morning? I hope so. Sheesh. Dang. That's a shorter's dream right there. Hey, by the way, can you guys tap that like button for me on the stream? Super appreciate it. Oh, you out already? I ain't mad at that, man. I ain't mad at that. I mean, sheesh. Gold is looking fantastic. Got a ways to go though to get to some money. Man, this is kind of, need that thing to really move actually. That might be it. Yeah, I think I might bring my target down. 1815 to 81 maybe, and just call it good, because unless it goes crazy over this high, it's just kind of ranging right now, and it's so far up.
We'll see. We're approaching high today right now. What kind of move was that, Ken? Where'd you get in and out at on NVIDIA? I'm curious. What was that? Oh. It's definitely running into some volume down here. What are we doing, Google? We are well over pre-market high. This is our last. Break even is under VWAP, so that's cool. Hopefully that'll be safe for a while. Gold new high of day. That's wonderful. That's only a $2 range there. Man, I think I might go ahead and take this guy out at 81. I don't want to ask too much of it. Google is pulling back. I don't know if my last leg is gonna survive. What's that looking like? All right, I'm gonna take a quick restroom break. Watch my stocks for me, y'all. Okay, what are we looking like? Gold still looking beautiful. Google with the bounce. Ooh, that would have been a nice little ad joint right there, huh? Come on, gold. We almost there. 77. Target's 81. Definitely taking break even at this point. I will not take a loss. Let's see what Google talking about. Come on, gold. What we gonna do? All right, so I added to Google. And stop is still at break even. So we just gonna see what happens. Like to catch a nice ride back up to high of day. How we looking, gold? I don't like that. I don't like that. Yeah, Tesla was like, bye. Here we go. What we gonna do, gold? I just need 6 more pennies from you. 6 more pennies and we out. Pre-market high. Yeah, pre-market high is it's legit sometimes, but they don't always run too far past. Depends what kind of trading range the stock has. 3 more pennies on gold. Keep falling back down. Man, it seemed like a lot right here. 78. Yeah, I don't like that. Look like the market's gonna curl back up though. Ugh, that looks terrible. Double top is 78 right there. Not really a lot of volume though. Well, stops at break even anyway. I really don't want to get stopped out by Google. Do I want to risk a few dollars of my 50 for that? I don't think so. Still risked a couple dollars. Jerk. All right, all out of Google. I be feeling some type of way, man, when my last leg stops out and I could have just sold it all. I be feeling a type of way. Yeah, I don't think I like that. I think I'm gonna stop selling legs and just take profit where I'm gonna take profit at and be happy with that. See, now I feel like if this breaks above this area, it's gonna have more room to go. What's it gonna be? Tesla's pulling back to VWAP finally. Yep, this might just mess around and be a break-even trade on gold. It's kind of aggressive though. Pretty aggressive pullback. All right, gold. Gold is looking pretty decent after all. All right. What, on Nvidia? Oh man. I feel you. That thing is still dropping. GLD taking a swing on Tesla. It's a big battle going on right here. I don't know if I should have gotten involved. And gold is fading after that little pop it had. Yeah, I should have taken that 2R and ran on gold. I had a feeling. Gave me my 81 and I ain't take it. That's where I get back to that 2R, you know, just taking the 2R. Just take it. This Tesla John looking sketchy. Yeah. There went gold. Out for -$1. That sucks. Well, this might be the end of the green streak today. It's all on Tesla. It's all on Tesla. The market is like really bad right now. Back over 177 for the moment. Come on, Tesla. Strongest stock out here today. Along with mRNA, huh? Well, look at mRNA back at VWAP. It's a much better pullback than Tesla's pullback. Nah, we're gonna wait for some sort of test. I will swap that out though. It's technically. Alright, went ahead and took a swing on mRNA. Tesla seems to be, I don't know, it's holding above VWAP, just underneath 177. But when is it gonna move?
These will definitely be my last 2 trades of the day. See how it goes. Yeah, Tesla looking bad though. Tesla looking bad. Okay, SPY doing a little bounce. We could all benefit from that. You still been trading, Ben?
Ken, you just sitting on the sideline? The video looks like it's bottoming out. So does the SPY. Oh no. Yeah, Tesla looking bad. Yeah, I hear you. Okay. Right on. Well, you had that nice win on Tesla, man. The day is good. A little disappointed I didn't take that 2R on gold, of course, with this -1 right here. Oh, okay. What part of the world you in, Ken? Hong Kong. That's cool. Yeah. Tesla's looking real stoppish right now. If anything, it's probably going to pull back below VWAP, stop me out, and then go. I should have waited for a better test. This pullback was aggressive, though. Unlike mRNA's nice gradual pullback. But now it's just consolidating too. Okay, that's looking a little better. In the moment. SPY pushing up a little bit. Man, if the SPY just rolls back up to VWAP, I think we'll be good on both of these positions, and it'll be a great day. This nice little green bar right here showing love. Man, I'm still like 50 cents from my entry though. Yeah. There goes Tesla. Okay. It was almost a great day today. TSM went to 1 penny to my target. Gold went 2R, but I wanted more and didn't take it. Google went 3R, but I sold 2R's worth and let the rest stop out. Tesla, this pullback was too aggressive to get into Tesla, and it didn't truly test VWAP like it's testing it right now. And mRNA is also a very subpar entry. Not to mention the market is very bearish right now. The relative strength has left these two stocks. I haven't looked at AMD in a long time. Check. What was that? Nah, I never took profit on gold. I never took profit. It just popped into 2R up here, which was 81. It went up to 86. But because I added right here, I wanted it to go. I felt like if it held this previous high of day, that it would go more. And I like this retest right here where it got bought up. And so I think I moved my take profit up closer to 219 or even above 219. And popped up into 2R territory and sold off expeditiously. So yeah, fumbled the bag on that one. And that's why that's why I just like, man, 2R all or nothing. 2R all or nothing. Yeah, TSM, man. My profit was 148.18. It went to 148.17 and turned around. Yup. So I mean, it was a good trade technically. Honestly, I kind of chased it though because the trigger was 147 and I was entering my order and it already broke over 147, and so I ended up getting filled at 147.18, and yeah, so that made my take profit. I really should have still judged it off of the proper entry and not counted my slippage. Oh yeah. No, on gold, I didn't get. No, my stop was down here on gold. And it came down. And I could add here and keep my stop in the same place. So I just went ahead and added just in case it didn't stop me out. Because my risk was still the same. And it worked out great. Traded up here. Just shy of my take profit. I really got to manage these out better, though. I mean, I don't know. It's like 2R all or nothing is my thing. So it's either I get all of it or I get none of it. But I don't know. You know, that hindsight is crystal clear. Long NVIDIA 832, out 834. Too many shares. Yeah, I do that a lot too, man. Alright, that's my no more trade timer. So it's all on mRNA. 92, 95. Made a little new mini high right there. It's looking interesting on the 5. If we can get back over 114, might have a shot at a baby green day. Nope, I did not take profit on my first 2 trades, though they were good trades. TSM wasn't my fault. Well, yeah, it was my fault. It's always my fault. That is actually the proper mindset. It's always my fault. It's definitely something I could have done better. All right, mRNA 114 for a moment. Can we get 114.01? Nah, that was Google. That was Google that I took some out on 2R. And then, yeah, I took some out here. And then I had my last leg and I added to it right here and still kept my stop at break even. So ended up slipping $2 or $1.90 on the break even stop out. So yeah, I don't think I like selling partials, man. If I would have just sold it all right here, that would have been 3R. Yeah. Okay, 114.11. mRNA creeping back up. Why didn't I do that on gold? Well, because it wouldn't have been 2R. I would have sold half. Or, whatever I would have sold would have been less than 2R. Well, I guess I could have still sold something at 2R. But, yeah, I don't know. I just looking for that home run, man. Mostly because of this TSM loss. 1 and 2R plus making that back. Yeah, I think for sure just sticking with 2R all or nothing is the best thing for me. Not trying to get more than that. Cuz the 2R is really consistent for me as far as a target. Especially on these 2-minute entries. Nah, TSM was 1 penny short. TSM was 1 penny short. Gold did get 2R right here on this candle, and I didn't sell. It was literally the last opportunity to sell. The only 2R candle, and that was it. And then it turned around, so it was then or never. Yeah, this gold. Yeah, I definitely could have sold right here at 81. It went up to 86. But I moved to take profit. Well, I did it on Google because I was in. This was way higher than a 2R target. This was a 3R take profit right here. So, like, my entry was 26. When did I add to that? Did I go in with 50 shares? Maybe I did. I added somewhere in here. I thought. I had to have added somewhere. Or maybe I started with 75 shares. Yeah, but basically I rode Google past my 2R target, and this was 3R up here. So I was wanting even more than that, but I just like, okay, let me at least sell 2R's worth in case it doesn't go, which it didn't. But with the gold situation, I was waiting all of this time for it to reach just 2R. And it finally did it on this candle. But after all of this consolidation and testing the previous high, I thought it was good for a bigger move up, which it was not. So, yeah, just mismanaged it. Just mismanaged the trade, unfortunately. I was greedy, Ben. That's why. I was greedy. Yeah, I had two ads. Entered here, added there, added there. This one I was really getting. But every time I added, when I added here, my stop was the same. It was still a 1R risk. Because it was so low, I was able to keep. I think I moved my stop up like 2 cents after I added here. And then when I added here, I moved my stop to break even. So, yeah. Would have much rather had profits, though. For sure. And mRNA is really lagging. Nope, it didn't. I was tripping on that. This didn't really move that much. My entry was 218, and I think I took 50 shares, so I would need $1 to get to 2R from 218.22. And then I added 25 shares. So then I would need to get to 218.81 to get to 2R, which it did right here. Then I added another 25 up here, which, I mean, I probably could have gotten a 2R at 75 or something. But, yeah, I just wanted more. Nah, before the third ad, I needed 218.81, and it hadn't gotten there. The highest it went was 78. So it was 3 cents shy. These candles right here, it was 3 cents shy right here of my take profit. Yeah, I was kind of tripping like, dang, I got bought way down here and I'm up here and still are not in 2R. That's why I should have been more aggressive with taking profit, because how much more could I really expect it to move? Could have been worse, though. It's definitely not a max loss day. I'm not erasing yesterday's profits or anything. Might end up negative 30 on the day if this stops out. which it looks like it's gonna. What's this low? 90 to 93. 83 is VWAP. Yeah, I might as well just move it up to here, because if it makes a lower low, it's probably out. Yeah, this was kind of a parabolic move, and it made a new high. Looking back on these other days, moved over that resistance, and now it's kind of hanging out just above this resistance over here. So it just needs to cool off for a while, because it ran all morning. Yeah, there's a lower low. SPY is creeping up though. Just don't care. Yeah. Looks pretty wild. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the day, unfortunately. Tesla's headed back over VWAP. But definitely not going to break any more rules today. Not selling that 2R. Look at that, man. That's about to be the perfect entry candle, man. Watch. Sucks. Yep. It is definitely progress, I guess. Only regrettable entry I have is Tesla. This was too much of a pullback, and not a great test of VWAP, really. Super wide range candle. I definitely could have been more patient for that one. I told myself that too, but I still took it just because this candle looks so good. But yeah, this was a pretty, should have been a 2R trade if I timed my entry better. Gold went 2R, Google went 3R, and I did take profit on that. And Tesla was just a poor trade, and so was mRNA. This was just like, I don't know what that was. So, yo. Look at that entry candle right there, man. That's what I should have been waiting on. See how good that looks compared to this crappy entry over here. Yeah. Look at that. Bing, bung. Yeah. It did make a lower low right here. Not in reference to that, but in reference to this. But yeah, it don't matter. I'm not getting back in. It's after 11. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, you guys. If you haven't hit that like button for me, please hit the like button. I'm going to do a review video here in a little bit and post that. Talk about the good and the bad of today. And should be back better tomorrow, man. It's still making progress. Not a terrible day, but definitely missed some opportunities to make it a great day. Such is life. Such is life. I can definitely see where I made this happen. You know, I don't feel like the market, even though the market was super bullish, I still caught some good opportunities, and I just didn't maximize. So, yeah, appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I'll be back with the review video today and be back live. Actually, no, I'm not going to be live tomorrow morning. I actually have a religious holiday tomorrow, so I won't be back until Thursday. So, yeah, man, you guys take it easy. Manage your risk and survive to trade another day. Peace.